Hey everyone! Welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Love anime and want to watch Crunchyroll on your Samsung TV? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get Crunchyroll on your Samsung Smart TV in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. Method 1. Using the official Crunchyroll app. The easiest way to watch Crunchyroll on Samsung TV is by using the official app. Here's how you can do it. Grab your Samsung TV remote and press the home button. Navigate to the apps section. Use the search bar and type in Crunchyroll. If the app appears, click Install and wait for the installation to finish. Once installed, open the app, log into your Crunchyroll account, and start streaming your favorite anime. If you don't see the Crunchyroll app in the store, don't worry. Some older Samsung TVs may not support it natively, but I've got a few alternative methods for you. Method 2. Using a streaming device. If your Samsung TV doesn't support the Crunchyroll app, you can use a streaming device like a Roku, Fire Stick, Chromecast, or Apple TV. Here's how. Plug in your streaming device and set it up if you haven't already. Open the App Store on your streaming device. Search for and install Crunchyroll. Open the app, log in, and start watching. If you have Google Chromecast, you can also cast Crunchyroll from your phone or computer straight to your Samsung TV. Just open the Crunchyroll app, tap the cast icon, and select your Samsung TV. Method. Using a web browser. Another method is using the Samsung TV web browser. Here's how. Open the Samsung Internet browser from your app section. Go to www.crunchyroll.com, log into your account, and start streaming anime directly from the website. Keep in mind, this method may not provide the best experience, but it's still an option if you don't have other devices. Conclusion. And there you have it. You can enjoy Crunchyroll on your Samsung TV using the official app, a streaming device, or a web browser. If this video helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tech guides. Happy watching, and see you in the next video.